to another video. The car is moving and my camera's unstable. Today we're gonna try fried chicken wings and Sriracha sauce flavored Lay's. It looks interesting. It's very poofy and shiny. It feels like this much filled. Now I shall open it. That smells really good. As a vegetarian, I cannot condone to this smell of chicken, but there's this. $2.80, and this is how much you get. That smells good. It's a beautiful sight. I'm gonna grab one. Now let's try one. That tastes like chicken. I haven't had chicken in a long time. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. These actually